Hey friends, welcome back again. In our last video, we have made a Kiwi application which can download audio and video from YouTube. Like if you haven't checked it, I have provided the link for the video in this description. Go check it out. If you need full working code, then check out the post. I have given the link in the description. Go check it out once. In this video, we are going to convert the .py file, I mean the Python file, into an exe file. So, which is system executable. Uh, let's get this party started. Head into your project folder, open up a terminal and type code.code. And this will open VS Code in this directory. You can also do this manually in VS Code or your respective IDEs. Inside the VS Code, if you are opening this for the first time, you need to trust the authors first. Then let's create a file called ytvideo.py. In my case, this is in my case. You can create your respective Python file, or if you have already made it, you can skip this one. Yeah, the following script is meant for downloading audio and video from YouTube. We are not going to discuss about this right now, as we have already made a video on it. If you haven't checked it, I have provided you the link in the description. Go check it out. Yeah, after creating this, it is suggested to go with creating an environment first. So let's create an environment. The commands were provided in the description box. Go check it out. Wait for a while. Let the system create a virtual environment for you. Now we need to activate the environment which we have created. So go with the following command. Yeah, done. Everything is done right now. We have successfully set up the required environment and we have the required file right now. Now we need to download the packages which are not present in this particular environment. Like in my case, it's KiwiMD and the PyTube. So yeah, come on, let's type along with me. Pip install pip install kiwi space KiwiMD, make it a space PyTube, and then hit enter. The system will now collect KiwiMD and the PyTube, the resources required for running this Python script. So we have now installed everything required. So the actual conversion of Python file to exe starts here. Now we need to install one thing, autopy to exe. Head along with me. So open up your terminal and say pip install autopy to exe. Autopy to exe and hit enter. Wait for a while until it's downloading the resources for you, like it's gathering the required autopy to exe. Once it is downloaded, open it up. Yeah, you can see this is an UI base, so you don't have to remember all the codes again, like all the scripts again. Just like we have created environment and the mining, it's an UI base. So you have some sort of things to do, like say you need to include the path of file you need to convert into executable file. So browse it out and select the path. Secondly, you can make it into single file or even single folder. Like if you are going to make it into single file, no worries, it will be present in your output folder itself as a single file. In case of single folder, it will make up a folder for you in which you need to go and search where that executable file is present. And thirdly, you can choose either window based or a terminal based. In my case, it's a window based. In my case, it's window based. And of course, any application will have an icon. Go browse the icon for your application and the icon must be with .ico extension. It is necessary, right? Additional files includes, see, the files, folders, images, etc., what are required for your application. Okay, include them all, whatever the required. And in advanced section, I think there is nothing to touch, just leave it out. In settings folder, um, we can change the file output part if you think it is necessary. I'm not going to change it right now. Finally, click on convert button. It will take some couple of minutes, so go for a coffee break and come back again with a fresh of mind. Finally, your application file or directory will be ready. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.